Programming is a skill that requires a lot of time and practice to perfect.
Having the right keyboard can significantly impact your workflow and make coding sessions more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable.
In this guide, we'll explore the best mechanical keyboards for programming, according to various sources.
Whether you're a professional programmer or a coding enthusiast, having the right keyboard can make a big difference in your workflow.
Today, we'll explore the top mechanical keyboards recommended for programming. 1. Kyron Q1 Pro.
The Kyron Q1 Pro is a compact, 75% model known for its comfort and features. It offers a comfortable typing experience and is suitable for long coding sessions. The compact design makes it easy to bring around, and it's a popular choice among programmers for its reliability and performance.
2. Royal Clug RK61.
The Royal Clug RK61 is a compact keyboard that is great for those who value desk space and portability.
Its precise key response and compact layout make it suitable for programming, especially for users who prefer a smaller keyboard. 3. Kyron V1. The Kyron V1 is another excellent choice for programming. It offers a comfortable typing experience and comes with features that enhance coding efficiency and workflow. Its customizable keys make it a popular option for those who spend long hours at their computer desk. 4. Newfie Air 75.
The Newfie Air 75 is known for its comfort and is a great option for programming enthusiasts.
Its features, such as backlighting and multi-device pairing, make it a versatile choice for coding and other tasks. 5. Razer ProType Ultra.
Finally, we have the Razer ProType Ultra, which offers a comfortable and customizable typing experience. While it's popular among gamers, its features also make it suitable for programming and long coding sessions. In addition to these top picks, there are other mechanical keyboards that are great for programming. For example, the Asus ROG Azoth wireless mechanical keyboard and the Corsair K70 Pro Mini are also highly recommended for their features and performance. Programmable keyboards are also a great option for programming. They allow you to automate tasks and customize your keyboard to your specific needs. The Beer Aider optimized wireless coding keyboard, for example, is a programmable keyboard that is designed specifically for coding. It features a compact design and customizable keys that enhance coding efficiency and workflow. Whether you prefer a compact keyboard for portability or a full-size option with additional features, these mechanical keyboards are highly recommended for programming. Choose the one that best suits your needs and enjoy a comfortable and efficient coding experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you find the perfect mechanical keyboard for your programming needs. Happy coding!